Hello and welcome to the daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. So today we are going to see what are the important data we need to watch out and how we need to prepare for our daily trading. So this information will prep you for how to get prepared for the daily trading activities for the day. So yesterday's data shows that Nifty saw another superb day of rally, and we were speaking about if the Nifty is breaking out that 15,250, it may see an upside rally. So as we discussed yesterday, we saw the rally yesterday, and even though the US markets were closed and majority of the Asian markets were closed, we saw Nifty was going up again yesterday, and it surprised the bears who were thinking that there will be more correction coming, but it surprised them. It's again suddenly shooted up. It all mainly happened because of one major index, that is banking sector. It is the one which propelled the Nifty, because yesterday also we discussed in the video that if banking Nifty is able to cross 36,600 levels, it can rally more because it is on the verge of a breakout. If it breaks out, it can rally up further, and yesterday we saw a 1500 point rally yesterday. 1500 point is not less. It's such a massive rally. It's a dream run for banking index. So this propelled the Nifty to come to above from 15,250. It was having a resistance in that level. When the resistance got broken, it started going up. So we saw yesterday Nifty were closing around 15,300 levels, and Bank Nifty also in higher levels we seen. So it was majorly led by the large cap banks such as Axis, ICICI, HDFC, and while the IT and metals were seeing profit booking. Why IT is coming down? Because the dollar is getting weak. Even the farmers also we have seen not rallied yesterday much. So it is set to take part in the rally in market. So since the dollar is coming down, it is a negative for the IT and the pharma. So we can see some profit booking happening. Broader markets, mid-cap markets also saw some traction, and it was in the upside also. Stocks like Motherson Sumi, it had a fantastic rally. We alerted Motherson Sumi in our Telegram channel. So I don't know how many of you have taken that alert and entered into the stock. So Tata Motors, it is having a dream run. Apollo Hospitals, wonderful results, which is helping them to go forward again in the higher levels. Chola Finance is such a missed opportunity, but still some of our clients are holding and they are making good numbers in Chola Finance, and we saw these all stocks having a good rally upside yesterday. So coming to the FIA numbers, FIAs yesterday bought 1,234 crores, and DA sold close to 1,048 crores. So all the global data, global news is all aiding the markets to go. So coming to the trade setup for the day, what we need to watch out, what is there for us, what is waiting for us for the day. Let's go into that. We are seeing SGS Nifty with a muted start. Rest of all the Asian markets are just reopening after the lunar holiday, but we can see the Asian markets are also high. SGS Nifty is a bit muted, but we may see some more upside movement in the coming time. Okay, so the trade setup is still buy on dips. If you see the chart, again the buy and dips, we can see yesterday it opened up, gap up, then it consolidated. Small dips were there, then all these dips were being bought, and suddenly at the fag end of the evening session we saw a sudden spike to the 15,300 levels. Markets have entering into a fresh expansion mode, especially in the financial sectors. This sector is taking a leadership. We need to see into these financial sectors. Bank Nifty has started expansion level towards the 40,000. Now it is around 37,000. Nifty has started expansion towards the 16,000. It is now at 15,300. We may see 15,500 coming shortly. So markets, but telling all these positive news, there will be a chance of a violent shakeout. That means there will be a small possibility of a shakeout correction which is due, but these shakeouts will move all the weaker hands, and this is the time maybe those who are willing to enter this during the shakeouts. You need to buy on good quality fundamentally strong stocks, so that you keep adding and be in the rally. The rally is still bullish. Okay, so we are seeing, as per the options data, we are seeing serious unwinding of the data calls. Yesterday call writers were got surprised because they were thinking that it is not going to break beyond 15250, but that's the reason they were writing in 15200 levels. Everyone got surprised. Even 15200, 15300 levels also got unwinded, and it is all they have gone towards 15500, 800 and 16100 levels. So we are seeing high open interest in 15500 for call writers. Can this prevail? Can fight 15500? Can fight and resist, or still the market will go up? We need to wait and watch for the day. Bank Nifty also, we can see call writers at around, we were around 36,000 yesterday, but all gone and they have moved up. In fact, to be more clear in the data, there is no much call writing happening in Bank Nifty. Only put writing is happening. So that itself indicates that if Bank Nifty is positive, Nifty will also go up. So the only we need to maintain strict stop losses in this type of trading scenarios. You need to trail your stop losses. So wait for good dips, enter in the good dips, and try to identify and get into good quality stocks. So the Nifty is creating a base around 15,200 because the put writing is clearly showing the put writing is happening at 15,000 levels, 15,200 levels and 15,300 levels. You can see the put writing as days goes by, put writing is coming up. So this will propel market little bit towards the 15,500 levels, and we can see the call writing happening in 15,300, 15,800 and 16,100 levels. We are seeing the call writing which is happening. One more positive news is VIX Indian Volatility Index is around 21.48 levels. It has also come down yesterday, so it is also positive for the bulls. So the trade, the important support and resistance levels for the day will be around 15,150 for Nifty support. Resistance will be 15,450. Bank Nifty around 36,750. The Bank Nifty resistance will be around 37,750. So these are the levels we need to watch out for the day. So important events are more of result oriented events. Results have been almost come to an end. Today Finance Minister is talking in the RBI board meeting. We need to watch out for that news. The WPI index has rose compared to our Jan month. This is mainly due to the fuel price which is increased. Crude and petroleum natural gas items got increased. So this wholesale price index, which was around 1.22% in December 2020, in January it is 2.03%. So we need to watch out for these numbers also. One news is coming from the Tata Motors, that is Jaguar Land Rover are going to be net zero carbon business by 2039, which means they are going to go into completely into electric vehicles. Tata Motors, the JLR. So we need to watch out for Tata Motors. These are all positive news. These positive news are already in effect, and this is the reason why we saw Tata Motors going up yesterday. And they're also positive their EBIT margins and all will improve. So we can keep a watch on this stock. Crude prices, again it is going on a 13-month high. It is mainly due to the unexpected winter and demand in the sales. So it's also we need to see what sort of impact it is creating in the auto sectors. So results, nothing major results apart from Nestle India. We need to watch out for the stock, and important stocks to watch out for the day will be Titan, Future Retail, Wipro, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Nestle India. Why we are telling these are important stocks? You need to come to our Telegram channel, subscribe us, so that you can get the detailed news about these stocks. Why we are highlighting these are important stocks to watch out for the day. So I hope this video is helping you to prepare for your daily marketing trading activities. Subscribe our channel, refer to your friends, and like our videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.